Hey everyone, we're Scott and Colette, and we are Romaru, and we have been on over 5 Backroads trips, and they're always our favorite.
And we want to thank Backroads for inviting us to take you on a trip today, a bite-sized Backroads trip to Tuscany by the sea.
Mwah! While we can't go out and explore the world currently, we can at least reflect on past and dream of future travels.
From the delicious wines to the rolling hills and Italian hospitality, this trip was the definition of La Dolce Vita.
Who would have thought a bike trip in Tuscany could end like this? Why did you love Tuscany by the sea?
I mean, it's the Montalcino and the Mediterranean, it's the Brunello and the biking. This was our 4th Backroads trip together, and by far, Tuscany by the Sea was our favorite.
I think a part of it lies in the name, because it's called Tuscany by the Sea, but you actually have the first few days where you're just working your way towards the sea. So you actually get the beautiful Tuscany landscape, how many actually sort of imagine how Tuscany is going to look, and then slowly, you know, especially on today, day 3 is really the day that it opens up and you're like, okay, now we're at Tuscany by the sea. And I think that mix, that you don't just have the coastline, but you have a few days of inland as well, is an amazing combo.
Wow, what was our favorite part?
The last couple of days, the scenery, how it's changed from the rolling landscape into these beautiful mountainous areas. It's been fantastic.
I love that Tuscany by the Sea offers everything from like the heart of Tuscany, the meat and potatoes, the Brunello, all the way, you know, opening into the mouth of the sea where we've got open spaces and seafood.
Neither of us knew that a trip like this existed. When everyone hears about Tuscany, they think of the great pasta, the great wines, the beautiful mountains, but to do this in combination, being next to the beautiful sea, that was something special. Clip in, zip up, and get ready for plenty of pasta.
Andiamo.
Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to our bite-sized Backroads trip.
We hope that the amazing images of Tuscany by the Sea have inspired you to start planning your future travels when it's safe again.
Ciao.
Arrivederci.